So guys, welcome back to Love God family. Please like, share out the video. I'm gonna make some jerk chicken, mashed cocoa. I did season already, but my camera wasn't on the right angle, so I'm just coming back to show you. Also, I put some yogurt. I incorporate this yogurt as my tenderizer inside. And I have my jerk seasoning that I get from the Jamaican grocery store. I use my pink Himalayan salt, and this is my chicken, guys. So I'm gonna marinate for at least 6 hours, and I also have some honey and olive oil. So when I make my sauce, I am gonna use this same base to make my sauce. So stay tuned, guys, for the finished product. Mashed cocoa with Boysen cheese over asparagus and jerk chicken, guys. Tastes so good. Can you taste it? Can you think about the taste and how good it's gonna be? So this is the cocoa, and when it's cooked and mashed, guys, not mashed potato, mashed cocoa, Jamaican word, cocoa. But I'm gonna be posting the correct word for it. I can't think of the word for it right now, but we know this in my country as cocoa. And jerk chicken, guys, over asparagus. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Cocoa, guys, cocoa going in the pot. Cocoa mash, jerk chicken, watermelon juice. So guys, chicken going on the grill. Hear that sizzling sound? Oops. Long time I haven't done anything on my grill, guys. Chicken on the grill, guys. Jerk chicken. Almost done. As you can see, I'm gonna cover it, and then I'll come back step by step and show you the process. So this part, guys, I'm gonna make the gravy for the chicken. So I'm gonna reduce all of this sauce until it's nice and reduced. So it's gonna be the sauce for the chicken. My cocoa is on the next side, boiling away. So I'll reduce this slowly, guys. I have it on medium heat, 375, I would say, Fahrenheit. So there you go, guys. Everything is going along nicely. So I'm putting some salt and pepper and olive oil on the asparagus, guys. It's gonna be on the go on the grill, so I'm just putting the oil on it and kind of pre-season it until I'm ready to put them on the grill. I have red pepper and the big grain, the big black pepper. So When it grinds, it goes on nicely. Pinch of salt, guys. First turning, guys. Looks nice. I wish you could smell what's going on over here, guys. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. So the key to make sure it's nice and brown, you put it down, and at least for the next 5-6 minutes you leave it so it can get a nice color and it doesn't stick. See how beautiful it looks, guys. Very beautiful. Love God, family. If you like what you see going on here, like, share with your family, your friends, your grandma. Let her see what's going on over here, guys. And as I say, I work at a resort, and I can tell you, the food that you make at your house is the best food you can ever eat. The best food. The best food, guys. The best food. It's clean, it's healthy, and you know what's going on in your body. I'm gonna wet it with some Guinness, guys. Everybody do their jerk chicken, but I want mine to have a nice, cook nice and soft. See what's going on over here, guys. See what's going on. Some Guinness Stout, guys. Because I want it to have a nice flavor. This is my twist. So when I turn it on the other side again, guys, I'm gonna give it a nice wet. So our next 5-6 minutes, I'm coming back to look at the other side, test it, test it with my temperature gauge, and make sure it's nice and cook on the inside. At the job, we cook chicken at 165 degrees. The internal temperature should be 165 degrees because poultry, guys, carries the highest level of bacteria. So anything in the poultry category, you should make sure your internal temperature is 165 degrees. Boom, chicken almost boom pupalik in pan uno, guys. Walk good, no take no short pass. As they say, short pass draw blood. But you take the long pass and bust a 1 or 2 sweat. Coming right back, guys. So guys, I am reducing my gravy. I had a half cup of prune juice and a kitchen tablespoon of yogurt. So this is it, guys. This is how it looks. It's reducing and my asparagus and onion. And then I'm gonna put my coconut milk here so it boils, because this is what I'm gonna use to help mash my coconut. So I want to cook to mash my cocoa with the cheese. So I want the coconut cream to at least get a boil, so it doesn't make your food goes bad easily, guys. So I like to boil the coconut, and I'm gonna add some butter chips in it. I'll be right back, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that goodness. No chicken, guys. almost ready, guys. Gonna give it a final wetting and just turn off the grill. Just let it sit. My final wetting, guys, because I don't want it to be dried out. I like when it's moist. Here we have it, guys, fully cooked. Just gonna let it simmer and cook the alcohol out of the Guinness so it just have a nice flavor. That's it. So guys, here I am coming back with the Boysen cheese. I'm gonna start with one and then add it gradually if it needs more. And I'm also gonna add my coconut cream that I boil with a little butter. And there we're gonna start the mixer so we can incorporate our cocoa with our cheese and our coconut milk. Very nice, guys. Nice soft food. As you can see, I boil the cocoa first, then I incorporate my cheese, and my coconut milk. See, guys, see, guys, very nice. See, not too soft, not too stiff. Just want to taste the consistency, guys. So creamy and nice. Very creamy. There we have it, guys. We're gonna make a nice dish when everything is done, and we are gonna enjoy. So guys, I don't like when my vegetable is overdone. So asparagus, nice grill marks. Not too much, not too little. So I spray some ham spray. Oh, this is the one that I have. Is the coconut spray, guys, on the grill. See the onion. Some restaurant style food, guys. You can do it. As you see what I did. It's not easy. You can get the jerk seasoning in the jar, as I showed you. And I got the mild, and it's still spicy, guys. I used the whole of my jar, so you don't have to use the whole of your jar. I'm Jamaican, and we like spice. So for people that can't manage spice, probably it's gonna be too much for them. So just use that one with caution. If you like spice, it's not too spicy, but it's just nice. And the yogurt did a wonders. Make the meat very soft, and then meanwhile it's cooking with the smart cooking creation, guys. This is dinner for more than one night. Spending $150, $120, $80 per plate, and I'm damn sure you're not gonna get this quality food. I'm sure. And I work at one of the biggest resorts in the world, guys. Smart cooking creation, Andines TV. If you love anything, if you like anything, love, love, love. Show me some love, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. And come back for some healthy, smart creation, goodness for your body, guys.